So I have this beautiful patch of oregano growing, but you can see some of them are getting tall and spindly. So like this one right here, see how it's getting a little bit tall and spindly? I'm going to cut those off. See this one too? A little bit tall and spindly compared to these, which are nice and short. I'm going to cut these off, and you can cut them anywhere, just you know, in between a set of leaves. And I'm going to use them for supper, and that's going to do two things. It's going to give us a beautiful oregano with our supper tonight. I think I'll do it with some chicken. And it's also going to prune this little oregano plant so that it's nice and bushy instead of tall and spindly. So I'm going to do that now. I'm just going to take some of these tall ones and just cut them. And you'll see, it's easy to know where to cut them. You can't really go wrong with this. But you see the plant, you just cut in between the leaves, here, here, wherever you want to cut. Now where I'm cutting is where they're getting really spindly, because I don't want the plant to be spindly. I want it to be nice and full, and it'll, you know, instead of growing spindly up this way, it'll grow bushy like this, and you'll have more oregano to harvest during the summertime, and you can probably have enough to freeze for the winter. So oregano, one of my favorite things. And there's a little side note about oregano that's awesome, is that it is a beautiful pest control in your garden. So it actually repels pests in your garden. So you have the benefits of the beautiful oregano to eat. You can freeze it for the winter. It's a pest control. How much better can you have it, right? So one of my favorite things is growing oregano in the garden for so many reasons, but just keep it pruned down, harvest it so that you can enjoy it and have it grow bushier for your last harvest in the summer. Right? Oregano, one of my favorite things, and you have a great day.